how to make the right study choice. Making the right study choice is important. It can shape the rest of your life. But where do you start? These tips will help you get going. Start early. Give yourself time to discover what suits you. Know yourself. What are your interests? What do you see yourself doing in the future? Inform yourself. Check the websites of different schools and explore the subjects you'll be studying. Attend info days and open classes. Experience the atmosphere. Ask questions and get a feel for the campus. Compare pros and cons. What are the pluses and minuses of a study? Talk about it. Conversations with family, friends, teachers or guidance counselors from Leerwinkel Brussels can give you new insights. Choose what you want. It's your life. Choose what makes you happy, not what others expect from you. Making a good study choice is a process. Take your time, stay curious, and be honest with yourself. And remember, you're not alone.